Hello and welcome again to Hindi Learning Made Easy. I am starting now a new vocabulary series for action words, which are also known as verbs. In this lesson, I will be explaining verbs using pictures and speech bubbles. There will be a fun quiz for you to participate and learn more efficiently. Don't miss it and watch the video till the end. You will be able to speak your own Hindi sentences using these verbs. So get ready with your notebook and pen to note down the words and sentences which you learn here. Also paste the pictures in your picture book as shown in this video. So let us start. First, we will always learn the basic form of the verb. Subsequently, we will learn their different forms. Verb will change its basic form when we use it in different types of sentences. So, first action word in its basic form is to come. To come in Hindi is आना. आना. In Hindi, all the verbs in the basic form have na at the end. That is the reason na is highlighted here. The second action word is to go. To go is jana. Speak with me. Ana, jana. As always, some words to support our learning. First word is in. In Hindi, it is andar. Observe carefully. It is not under, it is andar. When you say the, your tongue should touch your teeth from behind. Speak with me. Andar. Second word is out. Out is bahar. It is not bahar. It's not bahar. It is bahar. Speak with me. Bahar. Now, how will you ask someone to come in English? You will simply say come. But in Hindi, it is different for formal and informal use. Informal way of asking someone to come is आओ. Basic verb आना is changed to आओ. Observe, you remove na from the basic verb and add o at the end. So आना changes to आओ. Let us use verb come in informal way. The first sentence come means आओ. Second sentence come in. Come is आओ, in is andar. So it should be आओ andar. But as you know, in Hindi, verb always goes to the end of the sentence. So it should be andar आओ. Third sentence, you come in. Informal you in Hindi is तुम. We will say तुम अंदर आओ. What is the formal way of asking someone to come? In Hindi, it is आइए. Observe, you remove na from the basic verb and add ie. So आना changes to आइए. Speak with me. आइए. 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 Some sentences for formal use. Come. आइए. Come in. अंदर आइए. You come in. आप अंदर आइए. आप is formal you in Hindi. Now some sentences for asking someone to go. To go is jana in its basic form. In informal use, jana is changed to jao. Remember, na is removed and o is added. So jana is jao. Go, jao. Go out, bahar jao. As out is bahar. You go out. Tum bahar jao. Some sentences using verb go for formal use. Go is jana, and jana in formal use is changed to jaiye. Remember, na is removed and ie is added. So jana is jaiye. Go, jaiye. Go out, bahar jaiye. You go out, आप बाहर जाइए. Some more words which you have already learned in my previous video on places. Link is given below in the description box. Let's revise. House, ghar. School, vidyalay. Office, daftar. Library, library. Let us learn with some more examples. Mother is asking son to come home. This is informal conversation. You come home. Tum ghar aao. Jane is asking Mr. John to come home. This is a formal conversation. आप घर आइए. One more example. Mother is asking the child to go to school. You go to school. तुम विद्यालय जाओ. This is an informal conversation. Next example. You go to office. The daughter is asking father to go to office. This is a formal conversation. आप दफ्तर जाइए. Fun time now. Let us do the quiz. I will show you some pictures, speech bubbles in English, and I will count down from 5. You have to tell me what is being said in Hindi. Are you ready? So here we go. This is library. This is Rohan and Reena. Reena is talking to Rohan in an informal way. She is saying, you go to library. Time starts now. तुम library जाओ. Did you get it right? Next question. There's a home. Rohan and Reena again. Now Rohan is saying in informal way to Reena, you go home. What is he saying in Hindi? Time starts now. Are you ready? तुम घर जाओ. Next question. Here, Rita is inviting Mrs. Sarah to come to her home. This is formal conversation. She is saying, you come home. Can you tell me what is she saying in Hindi? Time starts now. आप घर आइए. आप घर आइए. Next question. Manager is not happy with John. John is late in the office. He is saying, "You go home." This is formal conversation. What is he saying in Hindi? Time starts now. आप घर जाइए. आप घर जाइए. I hope you enjoyed the quiz and learned the use of come and go. Please make similar sentences, note down in your notebook, write to me in the comment section. I will try to reply. Paste pictures of come and go in your picture book. Write Ana and Jana. Try to speak the words, sentences which you have learnt in this lesson. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you again in my next video with some more action. I mean action words. फिर मिलेंगे. Namaste.